Hi guys, welcome back. Todd here again with TW Home Show, and today I wanted to share with you a little bit more about my garage lighting. You might need help with this in your workshop or something like that, or your own garage. And last year or a year and a half ago I made a video that became really popular, and everybody really loved these T5 LED light bars that I got and I installed very simply on my ceiling. And I thought, you know what, maybe we can do a little test today to see how it looks with the T5 only, and then with just my regular pot ceiling lights, the recessed lighting, and then I'll also show you my undercounting lighting as well. In addition, I also got a gift sent to me by Jason at BRINGLED or BRINGLED. I suspect they go by BRINGLED, and from Amazon. And he sent me a product. He said, Todd, you haven't seen the brightest light yet. Try my light bulb out. So we're going to try that one out too and give it some tests. His looks like this. Never seen anything like this. Looks like a satellite or something that you shoot up into outer space and then deploy it like this. Once it gets up there, we're just going to deploy this up to our 9 or 10 foot ceilings. But look at this, it's got radiation heat dispersion panels around these LED panels right here, because this is an 80-watt light, so it gets very bright, and it's so bright that you can hardly look at it with human eyes. So these you can set up in different configurations. I suggest that you have an extension if you're putting it up into a recessed can, so that because this won't fit all the way up there, but with an extension it will. And then you can also, if you got a long enough extension, you could point these at different sections around your garage or workshop. So I'm going to get these hooked up, but we're going to do one light system at a time. So we'll start out. I got also a couple test spots here with my logo pinned up around different sections of the garage, like this logo right here, my TW Home Show logo. There's one there. There's one right here. There's one up over here. And I put one, I believe, over in this corner here. Yep, right there on the bottom of that step stool. Right there on the bottom of that step stool. So I created these test spots, and so that we can see the difference in our lighting before and after, or with different lights. Stick around. Alright guys, this was how I had it originally. I had just these can lights in here. So I had one up here, one above the fridge over there, one above the cabinets there, and a few over there, right? And just the window lights in the garage doors, and this window lighting here, the light that comes through there. So let's take a look at these test situations. There's my logo up there. Kind of dark over here, guys, right? That corner there where I've got some paints and stuff, hard to see. There's another spot right there, test spot number 2. Can hardly see that. Luckily you can see that because I do have that undercount of lighting on there. That one over there is pretty dark in this corner, right? Look how dark it is over here. There's our test spot number 3. And then of course over here behind the refrigerator, there's our test spot there. Very dark down here. So now we'll test it out with our T5 lights. Alright guys, here we are with the T5 lights. Now I really love these lights. The can lights are off right now. You can tell how much brighter it is in here. I'm going to show you over here our test spots again. There's our test spot right there. Notice how much brighter it is with my paint can shelves over there. There's our test spot number 2. Of course, I can see the side of this cabinet and stuff very well now. And our test spot number 3, providing a lot more light over in this corner that was very dark. And our other corner over here next to the fridge, our test spot 4. Look at that light you get over there, and that's with these T5 fluorescent LED lights. If you hook them end to end like I did, you get like it looks like kind of like a Las Vegas neon strip look. And if you saw my first video, I mentioned I was going to add some more. Well, I did. I added some more right over there into the third car garage section right there. So these I highly recommend. And the third lighting option, we're going to put up 3 of these bulbs from my friend Jason at BRINGLED. Now these do get hot because they're 80 watts and they will get hot to the touch. But that's why they have these cooling grids on them. But wait till you see how bright they get. That's coming up next. Alright guys, now these from BRINGLED. These are the LED 80 watts with the cooling fins on them. And this is putting out a lot of light, guys. Shoot, I might have been happy with just these, you know, before I got the T5 light bars. But I don't know, I just like the streamlined look of the T5 light bulb LEDs. These, I mean, they're fantastic if you don't want to go through the hassle, if you already have light sockets in your ceiling. Like I said though, if you have the can lights, you're going to need extensions. But see how I was able to, with this extension on this one, I was able to tilt those so that they, see they're tilted so you can actually point them in a direction around your garage, right? So let's look at the test on this one. Over here, the corner's a little dark. Okay, so here's our other logo there. Now I don't have the under counter lights on there this time. Our other logo here, it's still kind of dark back here. And then our other logo, test logo number 4 right there, and notice it is still kind of dark there. So the T5 LED light bars are the way to go for me. But if you know, I put another one of these over in this can light, if I got a couple more, I'm sure this would be very bright. Now guys, I'm going to turn everything on, and I'm going to leave all the links down below this video in the descriptions below. But we're going to turn everything on now and see the light we have. Alright guys, this is the magic happening right now. You can light up your workshop or garage very affordably with these lights that I've picked out here. And a lot of you have already. The BARRINAs, I think they are, the T5 BARRINA light strips that look like these neon lights up here connected together. As well as the other new light bulb I introduced to you today that screws into a regular light socket from BRINGLED. It's from BRINGLED. And guys, also these are the Light Ever light bars. Very good. I have these both underneath my kitchen counters and out here in the garage, and they do really well. Nice and bright. So guys, I'll leave it at this. Thank you for tuning in today, and hope you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.